Hi everyone, today is our last day of graphing and data analysis, so we are going to do a little bit of practice similar to what we did yesterday. So you can either get a pen and paper, pencil, paper to help you go through these problems, or you can just say the answers out loud, whatever works best for you. Remember that you can always pause the video to get some more think time because I will be going through these pretty quickly, so you will have time to do your assessment after this. So let's begin. A teacher asked her students their favorite season. Their answers are below. Use the bar graph below to answer the question. How many students voted for spring? Pause the video to solve. Okay, how many voted for spring? 4 kids voted for spring. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the next one. How many students voted for summer? Pause the video to answer. Ready for the answer? The answer is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids voted for summer as their favorite season. How many students voted for winter? Six students voted for winter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many students voted for fall? Yes, 2 students voted for fall. Good job. Okay, now I want to know how many students voted in all. So how many votes are there all together? Pause the video right now to solve the question. Ready for the answer? Let's see how many students voted in all. 20. So you can just count these individually. I like to start with the largest number and then start counting, but you can do it however works for you. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next question. What season was the most popular? What was the most popular season? Which one had the most votes? Yes, summer had the most votes. What was the least popular? So the least means the lowest or the fewest. Yep, fall is the least popular season. Oh, I really love fall. I guess this class did not. How many more people voted for summer than winter? So remember, for how many more, you are subtracting. So look at how many voted for summer. We have 8 that voted for summer. And how many voted for winter? 6 voted for winter. And then you need to subtract those. Pause the video to solve. Okay, the answer is 2 because I can do 8 minus 6 equals 2. A really easy trick for this, when you are doing a bar graph, when it's asking you how many more, what I like to do is just count those blank spaces. So I see that summer goes all the way up to here and winter goes all the way up to here. But then if I line them up, it would go right here, and then I count 1, 2. There's 2 blank spaces. So that's a really easy way to do that. How many voted for the fall and the spring? So you need to put both of those together. Look at how many voted for the fall, how many voted for the spring. Pause the video to solve. Okay, ready for the answer? If I look and see, I know that there were 2 people that voted for fall and 4 people that voted for spring, so I need to add them together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Good job. Which two seasons had exactly 8 votes? So this one's kind of tricky. You have to look and see what seasons, if you combined their votes, which seasons would make 8. So if you combined their votes, which would make 8? Pause the video to solve. Okay, ready for the answer? The answer is winter and fall. And the reason it's winter and fall is because this winter has 6 and fall has 2. If I add them together, 6, 7, 8. And that's what it was asking me for 8 votes. Okay, now we're looking at another graph. We're looking at a tally chart. The PTA is holding a movie night. They want to know what snack the students want. They ask the class to vote. Their results are below. Use the results to answer the question. Which snacks had the most votes? Ready for the answer? Ice cream had the most. How many did ice cream have? Good, 15. 5, 10, 15. Which snack had the least votes? Cookies had the least amount. Cookies only had 4 votes. How many students voted for candy? Skip count to see how many voted for candy. Ready for the answer? 11. 5, 10, 11. And remember, if you need more time to count, pause the video. I don't want to give away the answer. You just need to pause the video to solve. How many students voted for fruit? Ready? 8 students voted for fruit. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many students voted for cupcakes and cookies? So you're adding them all together. How many voted for cupcakes and cookies? Cookies has 4. Cupcakes has 7. Add them together. Okay, ready for the answer? The answer is 11. How many more votes did fruit have than cookies? So remember, when you see how many more, what is it telling you to do? You need to subtract. So 8 minus 4. Figure out what the answer is. Pause the video. Okay, let's see. 4. There were 4 more votes for fruit than cookies. Okay, now we are on our last set of problems. The gym teacher wanted to know what kids like to do at recess. He took a vote and the results are below. Use the picture graph to answer the questions. Now this one does not have a key on it, but I do know that each picture equals 1 vote. So which activity had the most votes? The answer is gymnastics had the most votes. Which activity had the least amount of votes? Oh, I hope you didn't get tricked. Swings and slides had the least amount. Sometimes there can be 2 answers. They both have the least amount. How many students voted in all? Pause the video to count how many voted in all. Ready? 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many students voted for ball? How many kids like to play ball at recess? 3. Which 2 activities had equal votes? So which 2 activities had the same amount of votes? If you said slide and swings, you are correct. Slide had 2 votes, swings had 2 votes. Which 2 activities had exactly 7 votes? So remember to add them up. Pause the video and see which 2 add together to make 7. Ready for the answer? The answer is gymnastics and ball, because there are 4 and 3. And that is it. So what you're going to do after this, I hope you had fun practicing. Now you are going to do a little graphing assessment. So it is on Seesaw. There are 2 pages that you need to do, and you can use the pen to help bubble in the answer. I know you are going to do amazing. See you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.